Meaning of Joseph Smith.
Joseph Smith.
Joseph Smith.
Joseph Smith.
Joseph Smith. Joseph Smith was an American religious leader and founder of the Latter-day Saint movement, which gave rise to Mormonism. He was born on December 23, 1805, in Sharon, Vermont, and died on June 27, 1844, in Carthage, Illinois. According to his followers, he received a revelation from God and was chosen to restore the true Christian church, which had been lost over time. He translated the Book of Mormon from golden plates that he said were given to him by an angel named Moroni.